Hi, it's Linda from Green Life Soils,
Lisa from the greenhouse.
and today we're talking about this lovely herb, Lemon Verbena.
Oh, smells divine. Just crush the leaf and it's just got this magnificent lemony smell. It's just beautiful.
Very, very lovely lemony scent, and it's a perennial, although it does tend to die down in the winter time, semi-deciduous to deciduous depending on where you are, and can look a bit straggly in winter, but now they're all emerging again and starting to look lovely, and they will have these little tiny white flowers on them too.
Yes, I'm trying to seed save, but I don't have much luck, so I just propagate it from cuttings now.
They grow very easily from cuttings in the warmer months, so if you know someone who's got one, it's worth trialling to do.
And what I did, just as the warmth was coming up, is I actually propagate them by sectional cutting, which is I've got a long branch of it and cut it into sections and then planted it all in a pot. And would you believe, they're all starting to germinate now. And all the leaves are starting to grow. So you can propagate them by sectional cutting, which is a bonus.
Yes, so basically each little space where the leaves come from, these little nodes, that's what Lisa's talking about. With those little sections will take root.
Yes, and when they're just before they start coming alive after winter time.
Yeah. So as far as what to use them for, I mean, they make a lovely, lovely tea. You can use them in potpourri. You can use them even in the house as a cut flower or cut foliage, just to have that lovely, lovely lemony scent. Very nice to grow next to a path because every time you brush past it, you'll get that beautiful lemon scent.
You certainly do. It's also good from a herbalist point of view. It's good for your indigestion. It's good for toning up your digestive system. It's also good for insomnia. And for fevers. You can actually bring your fever down. And it's very good, depending on how you make it, what medicine you make it into. It's very good and very gentle on the stomach for children and for the elderly.
Okay, so I guess you'll be covering that more in your workshops?
Absolutely, yes. I've got a medicinal workshop coming up on the 10th of November, so if you're interested, just go to my webpage and have a look. But it's very easy to make your own medicine, so just come and learn.
Sure. And lemon verbena is definitely a herb to consider having in your garden. They can grow into a fairly large shrub. I've seen them up to about 2.5 to 3 metres tall, but that's pretty unusual. I've had mine in the ground for probably at least 8 years, and it's not much more than about 1 metre tall now. Yeah. Mind you, I do hack it back hard, and they do tolerate being put back quite hard. So you can keep it fairly small, and you could keep it in a pot. They do like well-drained soil. They don't like to have wet feet, but apart from that, yeah, do give them regular fertilising when they're actively growing. Not much point in the winter time.
No, because they're asleep.
That's right.
Yes.
So try growing lemon verbena.
Excellent. Thank you.